Good morning, students. Okay, now we are going to see next practical experiment number 6. Name of the experiment is SOP1 Computerized Accounting with GST. SOP1 Mr. Ravindra Kumar started business by the name MS Bitwise Trading Company in the year 2019. Okay, as you all know how to open Tally and how to create company. So this is company creation form. Name of the company is MS Bitwise Trading Company. Address of the company is 102 MG Road, Bhavna Nagar, Latur, and pin code is 413512. Now here statutory compliance for India, state is Maharashtra, pin code is 413512. Again email is info at the rate let me check, info at the rate bitwise.com, bitwise.com. Again I am pressing here enter. Accounts with inventory. Financial year begins from 1st April 2019. Books beginning from 1st April 2019. Remaining details keep it as it is and accept the details. So this is your company, MS Bitwise Trading Company, and current period is 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. Current date is 1st June 2019. Okay. So here I am providing 1st April 2019. Okay, so this is what right hand side company info. Now go in PDF and see the details. With the help of any open source or free education version accounting software, pass the following transactions in appropriate vouchers to display and print various reports such as trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheet and day book. Okay students, before that you have to press F12, configure, go in voucher entry, and here see second option, use single entry mode for payment receipt contra voucher. No, keep it as a no, and use credit debit instead of 2 by during entry, keep it as a yes, and by pressing enter accept the changes. Okay, again go in gateway of Tally and pass the transactions. Here I have provided you some transactions with voucher type, ledgers and appropriate groups. Okay, so first voucher is receipt voucher. Okay, what is the transaction? Date is 1st April 2019. Transaction is Mr. Ravindra Kumar started business with cash. Amount is 5 lakh. Voucher is receipt. So go in receipt voucher. For that you have to click on accounting vouchers. You have to take F6 shortcut button or click on receipt voucher. Now see, this is the receipt voucher screen. What is the entry? Cash account debit to capital account credit. So here you have to provide credit account first. So I am selecting capital account. Okay, now capital account credit हो रहा है और कैश अकाउंट इज डेबिट. अमाउंट इज 5 लाख. ओके, अमाउंट इज 5 lakh. So cash account is debit. So this is the entry. Credit account is capital account and debited account is cash account. And narration is what? Being, narration is also provided into the journal. Being business started with cash. Okay, so type it here. Being business started with cash. Business started with cash. Okay, enter it and accept the entry. Okay, so this is your first voucher entry. I have done it into the receipt voucher. Now see second transaction. It is also on 1st April 2019. Purchase goods from Sharda Steel Works on credit. Amount is 20,000. You have to open purchase voucher and journal entry is purchase account debit to Sharda Steel Works account credit. Narration is being goods purchase on credit basis. Ledgers are purchase account for purchase account and Sharda Steel Works account for this. These are two ledgers and groups are purchase account is the group for purchase account and sundry creditor is the group for Sharda Steel Works account. Okay, second transaction is 1st April 2019. Purchase goods from Sharda Steel Works on credit. amount is 20,000. Voucher type is purchase. Voucher entry, journal entry is purchase account debit to Sharda Steelworks account. Credit being goods purchase on credit basis. Ledgers are purchase account, Sharda Steelworks account, and ledger group. Purchase account is the group for purchase account, and sundry creditor is the group for Sharda Steelworks account. Okay, now I am passing the entry in purchase ledger. So for that you have to create, click on purchase ledger or press F9 shortcut key. So click on purchase account, reference number I am giving here 1. After that date is 1st April 2019. Party's account name, now see, party's account name is Sharda Steel Works Limited. So Sharda Steel, select it. Okay, purchase ledger is purchase account, name of item is goods, and amount is I think 20,000. Okay, 20,000, and narration is what? Narration is what? Being goods purchase on credit basis. So type it here, being, B-E-I-N-G, being goods purchase on credit basis. Okay, accept the entry. Now see, next transaction is what? 2nd May 2019, paid salary to staff. Amount is 5,000. Payment voucher, salary account debit to cash account, being salary paid, salary account, and indirect expenses. Now see, for that you have to click on payment voucher or shortcut key F5. Okay, click on payment voucher. After that you have to change date from here. Date is what? 2nd May 2019. So you have to change the date of transaction 2nd May 2019. Okay, debit side is what? Salary account debit to cash account. So salary account debit, amount कितना है? Amount is 5,000. Okay, debit to cash account. So this is your payment voucher entry, and narration is what? Being salary paid. So I am going to type it here, being salary paid. Okay, accept the entry. Now see, 4th transaction, it is on 1st June 2019. Cash deposited into Bank of India. Cash deposited into Bank of India, amount is 50,000. Contra voucher, for that you have to open contra voucher. Now go in tally. See, F4 is the shortcut key for contra voucher. You have to click on contra. Now this is the contra voucher screen. Now see the entry, contra voucher, Bank of India account debit to cash account credit. Okay, so here you have to provide cash account. So cash account credit हो रहा है, and Bank of India account debit हो रहा है. Amount is what? 50,000. So I am putting here 50,000. Debit side Bank of India, amount is 50,000. And what is the narration? Narration is being cash deposited into bank. Being, B-E-I-N-G, being cash deposited into bank. Okay, accept the entry. Now next entry is 2nd June 2019. Last entry, it was on 1st June 2019. Now it is on 2nd June 2019. Let me wait. Okay, next entry is on 2nd June 2019. Sold goods to Rakesh Enterprises on cash. Amount is 25,500. Voucher is sales, cash account debit to sales account credit, being goods sold to cash, sales account, sales accounts. Okay, now go in tally. You have to click on F8 or press sales account. Okay, reference, before that change the date. Date is 2nd June. Okay, 2nd June 2019. Reference number is 1. Party's account name is C. Cash account debit to sales account credit. Okay. Cash account debit to sales account credit. So here you have to select cash account. Wait. Debit to here you have to create sales account. Under sales account, okay, name of the item is what? Goods, and amount is 25,500. Name of the item is goods, amount is 25,500, and narration is what? Being goods sold for cash. Being goods sold for cash, and accept the entry by pressing enter. Now last is purchase voucher. So go in purchase voucher, second last it is. Go in purchase voucher first by pressing F9. This is purchase voucher. Date is what? 2nd July 2019. So first change the date, 2nd July 2019. Reference number is 1. Purchase voucher, I think it's second it is. Let me check first. Yes, purchase voucher it is second voucher, second purchase voucher, second entry. So I am putting here reference number 1 and see the transaction. Purchase account debit to cash account. Okay, so here it is cash account debit to purchase account and machinery. So here I am pressing Alt C to create machinery. Alt C. Okay, machinery account or simply machinery. Okay, amount is what? See the amount 10,000. So I am putting it here 10,000. Okay, narration is what? Being machinery purchase. Narration is being machinery purchase. Okay, so being machinery purchase. Okay, accept the entry again. Now last is 2nd December 2019. Received interest on cash deposited in Bank of India. Amount is 2,000. Receipt cash account debit to interest account. Now see, you have to click on F6 receipt voucher. Now I think this is also second receipt voucher. Yes, second receipt voucher. So here receipt voucher number 4 aa raha hai, let it be. Okay, date is what? 2nd July na? Wait, 2nd December. Date is 2nd. So I am changing the date 2019. And what is the credit side in journal? Cash account, interest account credit to cash account. Interest account credit. Now see here you have to press Alt C and create ledger interest account. Under see in the journal I have provided group also indirect income. Okay, so here interest account का group है indirect income. So select indirect income and accept the entry. Amount is what? 2,000. Amount is 2,000. So I am putting it here 2,000. Okay, press enter. Debit side is what? Cash account. So select cash account. Amount is 2,000. Narration is what? Being interest received. Okay, so put it here, being interest received. Okay, now accept the entry. So here we have completed all the entries. Now what is the question? To display and print various reports such as trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheet and day book. Now see students, go back, press escape key and see, this is the balance sheet. Click on it. This is your balance sheet, observe it. Okay, after that press escape. Profit and loss account, this is the profit and loss account, it is there in journal. Okay, again go in display and trial balance, this is the trial balance. Okay, and day book, this is your day book. Okay, so this is the practical of Tally. Bye students.